In this video, we will learn how we can modify the enter play mode settings. When you enter the play mode, your project starts and runs as it would be in the build. Any changes you make in the editor during play mode reset when you exit the play mode. So each time that you enter the play mode in the editor, Unity performs two significant actions. The first is domain reload. Unity backup, unload and recreates the scripting states. And second is scene reload. Unity destroys the scenes and loads it again. And these two actions takes more and more time as your script and scenes become more complex. If you don't plan on making any more script changes, the enter play mode settings can save you a bit of compile time. Unity gives you the option to disable either domain reload, scene reload, or the both. This can speed up entering and exiting the play mode. Now let's open the project settings. And go to editor. And scroll down till the very bottom. And these are the enter play mode settings. For the testing purpose, I am unchecking the reload scene and docking the window to reuse it. And now I am entering the play mode. And that's how much time it's taking to load. It's loaded. Exit the play mode. Open the project setting and now unchecking the reload domain too. Let's enter the play mode again and you see it's instantly loaded. Exit the play mode. Open the project setting again and check all the boxes of enter the play mode setting. And let's try again entering the play mode. And again it's taking some time to load. And now it's loaded. Just remember that if you do plan on making further script changes, you need to re-enable the domain reload. Likewise, if you modify the scene hierarchy, you should re-enable the scene reload. Otherwise, unexpected behavior could result. And here we have a chart that shows the effect of disabling the reload domain and reload scene settings. And that's it for the enter play mode settings. I hope this video helps you. If you have any question, you can always ask me. Thank you for watching and I see you in the next.